Thank you, Kickstarter backers, for helping us introduce Jupiter to the world. Now we are back with our brand new creation, PHECDA. You can bring your biggest ideas to life with ease. The spacious working area of PHECDA lets you engrave on large surfaces with precision and perfection. PHECDA can be your style shaper and your soulmate. From woodwork to leather, PHECDA delivers ultra-fine and detailed engraving every time. Whether you are a professional player or a life explorer, PHECDA can always turn your imagination into reality. With PHECDA, you can now engrave and create without any worries. The smoke filtering exhaust ensures that harmful particles are trapped before they have a chance to escape, ensuring you to breathe easy while you work. You can bring your favorite games to life in a whole new way, with personalized touches that make them uniquely yours. PHECDA is more than just a tool. It's a companion that understands your needs and shares your passion for imagination. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for you to get started, giving you the freedom to express your creative ideas in any way you choose. So, if you're ready to take on new challenges and push the boundaries of what's possible, then go for it. It's time to unleash your creativity and let PHECDA be your guide. Join the PHECDA community and be a part of a new generation of DIY makers who are not afraid to experiment, innovate, and create. We are ELEGOO. Let's bring PHECDA to life.